What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to be reinforcing my box. I'm going to put another sheet over top, cut new holes, and I'm going to take out that I'm taking this sub right here out because it's, as you can see, it's all blowed through. It's a freaking hole going through the bottom of it, and I'm taking that one out and just keeping the 12 and the 10. It's separated, so I mean it should sound pretty good. I'm break one of the walls down, and I'm gonna put have the 12 have a bigger chamber than the 10, and 10 have this chamber over here. So I'm about to get cutting, and I'll keep you guys updated as I keep going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment. You don't understand, all we fuck is porn stars. You don't understand, bitch, call me Jack, nigga. You don't understand, Rizzy got her wet, nigga. Out the mirror, better make I'm sitting here counting honey, whoever they want. No alibis, this scrappy bitch, and now my hoe be beautiful. Leg up. You ain't fucking hoes, I don't understand. What's up, YouTube? I got the new top on right now, and I decided to put a little brace in there. Put a brace in there. You can't really see because of shadow, but it's a brace right there where that screw's at. Put another screw in there. I'm gonna even out these holes, make them more circular. I'm gonna even them out with a router, and yeah. Then I'm gonna repaint the whole box. Well, guys, I finally got the box finished. And, put some coats of white on there. I think I'm gonna make it white because you know the car's white. And I finally got it finished. New top on. It's good and sturdy too. It ain't moving at all. And I put a brace right there, put a brace there, and a brace there. So it's braced up really good. And I got a brace going across. It's pretty good. What's going on, YouTube? This is part of the update video, and this is the subwoofer that I took out, and I'm gonna show you how badly damaged it is. These subwoofers are so old. I'm surprised they held up this long. As you can see, look at that. You can see straight through the submachine gun. Look at this. Look all the foam and white stuff then bust out of the submachine gun. Look at this. It's like a look at these joints. It's like all ripped up. Like it's literally bust open. You can freaking see the voice code in the bottom. Spider and all that. Look at this is the reason I had all that rattling. When you look to the bottom. Look at that jump. Busted. But it lasted. It lasted for a little while. Some old speakers. Pioneer IMPPs. Yep. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment.